Hi and welcome. This video will explain what the LEDs on your gloves mean. Your Xsens Metagloves have two LEDs, a battery LED and a status LED. The battery LED has three modes: blinking green when charging, solid green when fully charged, and off when not charging. When you turn on your gloves, the status LED will blink blue. If your gloves are not paired to a dongle, your status LED will breathe blue. After putting your gloves into pairing mode, the status LED will blink white. Once connected, the status LED will become solid blue. When your battery level is low, the status LED will blink red. If you are connecting your gloves wire to a computer, the status LED will become solid green. When updating the firmware of your gloves, the status LED will become magenta. If your status LED turns yellow when starting up and you experience any issues while using your gloves, please contact support.